Welcome back to Homespot, and today we are turning simple salvaged wood and bricks into a garden that looks polished, elegant, and far more expensive than it really is. If you love outdoor spaces with character, texture, and timeless style, stay with me as we explore clever ways to transform humble materials into something truly beautiful. Salvaged bricks stacked in clean, dry layers create raised garden beds that look far more expensive than they cost. No mortar, no special skills required. The natural variation in color and texture adds depth that new materials simply cannot replicate. Old fence boards and barn planks can become a stunning garden bench with a rich patina that looks straight out of a high-end outdoor catalog. A little sanding, a few screws, and a simple design is all it takes to add seating that feels both elegant and timeless. Arranging salvaged bricks in a herringbone pattern is one of the oldest landscaping tricks in the book, and it still looks extraordinary today. The interlocking geometry gives any garden path a formal, structured appearance that feels professionally laid without spending a single dollar on new materials. Heavy reclaimed lumber transformed into a small pergola instantly adds architectural weight and luxury to your backyard. It frames the sky, defines a seating area, and gives climbing plants a purpose. The character baked into old beams makes the structure feel like it has stood there for generations. Assembling mismatched salvage planks into a garden gate turns an ordinary entry into a custom statement piece. The varied wood tones create a patchwork effect that looks intentional and artful, paired with brick pillars on either side. This gate gives your garden an entrance with real presence and personality. Stack salvaged bricks as supports and lay a reclaimed wood plank across the top, and you instantly have a potting bench that looks boutique and purposeful. Add a lower shelf from scrap timber, style it with tools and terracotta, and this simple build becomes a refined garden workspace. A gently curved border made from salvaged bricks laid at a slight angle transforms an ordinary flower bed into something that looks professionally landscaped. The curve guides the eye naturally, adds formality without rigidity, and gives the entire garden a sense of considered design and classic structure. Stack reclaimed wood frames at graduating heights to create a vertical planter tower that looks like a garden center display. Fill each level with cascading herbs, trailing flowers, or bold foliage. The height variation adds drama and depth, making even a small garden feel layered, designed, and full of intention. A circular fire pit built from salvaged bricks, surrounded by simple benches made from reclaimed timber, creates an outdoor living space that feels genuinely upscale. Gravel underfoot, restrained planting around the edge, and the glow of a fire turn this humble build into a true backyard destination. Stacking salvaged bricks into a sturdy pedestal and placing a simple bowl fountain on top creates a garden focal point that feels formal and established. Surround it with low planting, gravel, and symmetrical pots to complete the composition and give your garden a centerpiece with real classical presence. Alternating salvaged brick pavers with cross-cut reclaimed wood rounds produces a garden path with strong visual rhythm and a custom handcrafted quality. The contrast between hard brick and organic wood keeps the eye moving and gives the walkway a design character that looks anything but cheap or improvised. A sturdy frame built from reclaimed wood scraps, holding an outdoor mirror against a fence or wall, is one of the most effective tricks in garden design. It doubles the sense of space, reflects planting, and creates a focal point that looks decorative, intentional, and surprisingly sophisticated. The classic herb spiral built from salvaged bricks is as beautiful as it is functional. It creates multiple microclimates for different plants, adds sculptural height to a flat garden, and looks like a designed installation rather than a DIY project. Every brick you place adds to a living work of art. Arrange salvaged wood offcuts of different sizes and tones into a geometric mosaic panel and mount it on a fence or garden wall above a low brick border. The result looks like gallery-quality outdoor art. The varied wood surfaces catch light differently throughout the day, creating texture and quiet movement. Salvaged bricks used as crisp edging around a simple gravel area create a structured, European-style patio that looks like it belongs in a design magazine. The geometry alone elevates the space. Add a reclaimed wood chair and a few pots, and you have an outdoor room that feels complete and refined. Framing a garden entry with an arbor made from salvage posts and beams gives your outdoor space an immediate sense of arrival and ceremony. Brick edging along the base grounds the structure, and climbing roses or vines soften the lines over time, turning a simple build into a romantic, established garden landmark. Stacked salvage bricks can turn a sloping backyard into a series of beautiful terrace garden levels. Each tier becomes a planting opportunity, and a reclaimed brick gives the retaining walls a sense of age and permanence. The result is a dramatic transformation that looks like a professional landscape job from the street. A permanent outdoor dining table built with a reclaimed wood top and a salvaged brick base becomes one of the most impressive features a backyard can have. It feels solid, established, and completely original. No two builds look alike, and the combination of materials gives the table a character that furniture stores cannot sell. Running short reclaimed wood stakes alongside a salvaged brick garden path creates a manicured, formal edge that looks like professional landscaping. The stakes add handcrafted detail and a quiet contrast to the rigid brick surface. Together, they give the path a finished, intentional quality that signals care, taste, and thoughtful design. And that is how salvaged wood and bricks can completely change the look of a garden without a big budget. From strong pathways to elegant borders and inviting features, every idea adds charm, structure, and personality. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite garden idea.